In our ICUBE Robotics, innovation begins with imagination. We bring *STEM learning to life through hands-on experiences in robotics, coding, and creative design. Our programs are built to inspire curiosity and empower students to turn ideas into reality, whether it's building robots, designing prototypes, or exploring new technologies. Every learner at ICUBE is encouraged to experiment, create, and think beyond boundaries. We don't just teach robotics, we nurture innovators, problem solvers, and future leaders ready to shape the world with technology. ICUBE also organizes technical workshops, hackathons, innovation challenges, and project-based internships to encourage creativity and problem-solving among college students. By collaborating with colleges, ICUBE Robotics helps students gain practical engineering skills, and we create strong awareness about the power of technology and innovation by inspiring school, college students, and teachers to explore robotics and STEM in a practical way. Through our interactive workshops and real-time projects, learners gain confidence, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Positive learning values alongside technical education. Our programs encourage students to practice discipline, integrity, and collaboration while engaging in creative problem-solving and innovation. These competitions not only enhance their technical skills in robotics, coding, and design, but also build teamwork, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. At ICUBE, we believe that every challenge is an opportunity to learn, grow, and innovate, empowering students to showcase their talent and achieve excellence through healthy competition. Many students have achieved remarkable success, building award-winning robots, presenting innovations at tech fairs, and excelling in national-level competitions. With the guidance and mentorship of ICUBE Robotics, students not only learn cutting-edge technologies but also discover their potential to innovate, lead, and make a real impact in the world of technology.